Oh, I forgot my soda. Seven Up. I understand this isn't the best angle in the world, but I'm using a pillow, a book, and a shoe to hold this thing all together. So, pretty difficult. So, I have two favorite parts in pho. I have the tendon. Wait, the tripe. Tripe. And if I can find it, I'll show you my other favorite. It's tendon. But I'm not seeing it. It's lame. Should be in here. This kind of feels like tendon, but usually the places I go to, they're a lot thicker. Well, not impressed about that. Still good though. So like usually where I go, they have like these thick tendons. It's so good. Oh yeah. Lately I've just been craving like soupy kind of stuff. Like yesterday, 2 days ago, I had ramen. Yum. Ooh. I want more. I love the broth. Whether it be ramen, so good. Whew. It's very fresh. That's what I love about it. wish you guys could see the pho more, but guess I have to drink more of the broth. Oh no. Here we go. Still need to drink more. Alright. So I have my mom. She's joining us now.
Hi.
She's going to help me finish because I can't eat everything.
Okay, so what is the name of this wonderful?
This is pho. P-H-O.
How do you pronounce it?
Pho.
Pho.
Mm-hmm.
Sounds like something else.
Like pho. Yeah. They actually make funny restaurants. They call it like,
what the...
they call it like P-H-O. So they go fucking awesome.
Oh, wait.
But it's like fucking. But it's not. Yeah.
But it's
because it does sound like that.
Okay. Do we need some of this stuff?
Up to you. Just try a little bit. This one's nice. This one's sweet. This one's in the middle. This one's the spiciest.
This one looks...
What you're supposed to do with these two is get the meat, dip it. But what I like to do, and a lot of people, just put a little bit of this and this inside here. But I already kind of did it in the broth.
Okay.
It's the same broth. So
okay.
The flavor's there.
Let me try the little bit of the broth and let's see how...
Yeah, you'll get like the meat. You get, I think it's called poison sauce. Dip, dip.
Oh.
Then you take a bite.
I think I can handle a little bit more of the spice.
Then
this...
dip, dip. Done.
This looks really yummy.
I like this one because it's like, like oily, subtle.
Yeah. I don't know the taste, but let's see how.
It has like a smoky flavor, but not like spicy.
Let me try it.
Subtle.
The stuff here.
This one is spicy. Right there.
Okay, let me try this one here.
Have you tried these yet?
No.
Go for it.
Oh, let me try this first to see what
You're
happens.
supposed to dip it in here, but I kind of like it with that.
Oh.
The red one. But you pick your poison.
It's good.
Have like a, I don't know, a sip so you understand.
Oh boy.
It's like vinegar, sugar.
That's good.
Yeah. And you just
Also, you dip it with that?
But I actually liked it more when I dipped in here, but that's just me.
Okay, let me try this. And
it's spicy though, so
just
be careful.
Just one little tub. Well, I didn't even put it.
Oh, that's good.
No, I guess I didn't put enough. Let's see. A little bit more.
Putting the tripe in that sweet sauce.
Let's see this.
I shouldn't have done that.
What's that?
The tripe and the sweet sauce. It's not the same.
Actually, I don't feel that spicy that I'm not able to handle. It gives nice flavor.
There's a lot more too.
Oh wow. Yeah.
Then there's bean sprouts by itself. You can put it in the soup. I already did, but sometimes you just want like the.
That's what I need to do.
Crunch.
I need to learn how to use those things.
So there's bean sprouts right here for you. Soda to share if you want.
Just grab it like that. And you dip it up where?
You can put it in the soup, or you can just. It's up to you. I like some freshness, so I left some on the side.
Okay, and these ones are very spicy?
It's jalapeno.
Oh, so. I will give a little. Let's see. A little bite. We'll see what happens. Not bad.
Did you drink all your soda?
Mm-hmm. Yep.
Oh, the camera moved.
And since the weather is cold, well, this is nice.
That too.
Mm.
And I forced myself to get some extra stuff to eat.
This is good. And you put lemon too?
If you want.
Oh.
I put a little bit.
Okay.
It's all up to you. Like, you don't have to put the bean sprouts. You don't have to put the jalapeno.
Oh, shoot.
It got in your eye. Do you have enough meat in there?
That's good.
You're out?
That's
Do you want
good.
some?
It's okay. You eat it.
I eat half. Cut half.
This is good stuff. Oh my
The
goodness.
bigger piece.
Okay.
I'm full. I'm just eating because I should eat.
This is good stuff.
Hmm?
So when you order, they give you all of this stuff, or you have to say, give me the noodles, give me some of this. It's different.
Give me the noodles. Give me this.
So every time it can be different.
Mm-hmm.
It doesn't. Oh, okay.
They have different soups as well. But my favorite is the one that has all the meats. So usually it's called like the special. It has brisket, steak, tendon, tripe, everything.
All of the meat.
All the meat. Give me all the meat. And then this is separate. It's Bahn Mi sandwich. This is just, a fried dumpling. So appetizer, lunch, soup.
Yeah, this is the first time that I try like this fry, because in the ones that I had tried before, you just boil them, or they come already boiled. But like that, it tastes really good.
I wanted the soft, but
Oh.
It cost more.
Oh, next time.
It was like $10 for 4 versus $9 for 10 of these. So I was like, I'll have 10. And then I gave 2 to the Uber driver, so now we're down to 8. And then I think I made a good decision.
I think I can go for a little bit more of this. It's really good.
Go for it.
Yeah.
You can't eat pho again. Horrible leftovers.
That's really
You
good.
gotta finish it.
I guess and these ones, they give it to you, or you tell them how many you want?
They give it to you, but this time I said, because I know they don't give enough. Not this place, but like most places, they just give you 1 of each. So this time I said extra sauce on the side. So I think that's why we got extra sauce on this side.
So next time you can ask for more of this.
I don't even know what it's called. I know this is sriracha. This is, I believe, hoisin. This one is a mystery.
I like it.
I've never had that whenever I get pho. I usually just get these. Nothing else.
But what can we do? And you had it delivered, or you order?
The food? Since I was coming back from the hospital, I just ordered it, and I ordered it to be picked up. So the lady drove me there, and I picked it up.
Oh my god, this is so good. Mm. So how many soup have you tried before?
Like with pho or any kind of soup?
Like what they sell at that place.
Honestly,
I mean the noodles, where you got the noodles, the one from, what's it yesterday?
the ramen.
Mm-hmm.
I've had a lot of different ramen,
Mm-hmm.
but with pho,
Mm-hmm.
I always get this.
Mm.
Because the other versions of this have less of everything.
Oh.
You can't add more.
Mm-hmm.
So it's like everything, or it's no tendon, no tripe, no steak, no brisket.
Oh, so this is the best.
Or it's like, instead of all of those meats, just chicken.
Oh, this is good, lady.
So this is my favorite. But with the ramen, you can play around with it more.
Mm.
So I like that.
What about my that I had yesterday? You like that one?
Your top ramen?
Oh yeah, that's well, I don't know if it's number one, but at least number one for me sometimes.
Yeah, when you're not gonna order out, that's good.
With hot some spices and some lemon. Tastes really good.
Like that one girl.
Mm-hmm.
Ow! I hit my tooth.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
It's good.
Oh my god.
I'll just put it here.
Well, I guess I will use my spoon and finish the rest. I guess I'm concentrating on my soup because
Are you gonna eat that jalapeno?
I don't think so.
Okay, I'll have it.
I ate the other one, but now I'm feeling the little spice a little bit more because I guess I'm getting at the bottom of the soup. I guess I'm making too much noise, but it really tastes good.
That's what the Uber driver said. I walked in, she's like, that smells good.
Yeah.
So I gave her some of the chicken dumplings.
So I guess she haven't tried,
I think she has,
but
not
like
from here. Excuse me. She was telling me about this Chinese place that's nearby. She's like, you have to go there. It's so good. Okay.
Well, maybe we go and sit down and eat there. That would be a great idea.
For Thanksgiving.
Yeah, maybe we'll see. Oh my god, this is good. I'm not kidding. Too much noise. Oops. Sorry, I'm really making a lot of noise, but
Some people like the noise.
well, I'm not joking, but this is really good. But I'm just gonna show you the empty bowl because I already ate the whole thing.
I did the
Oh
same
my
thing.
god, oh my god. Okay, I think this is gonna be the last thing
That's
I'm gonna
your
eat.
half.
I am full.
No, I'm gonna have half of this. You have half of it.
Oh, half. Okay, so one bite. Yeah, if you want. If not, I'll eat it.
I'm done. Give you some more of that.
Oh my goodness. I wish you can have this for lunch at work. That would be
That's
great.
actually a lunch.
Oh my
this-
god. Wow.
People would eat it for lunch. Only lunch. But I eat it all the time. I don't see why it's just for lunch.
Oh no, I can have it anytime, but I'm saying this will be such a good lunch.
But technically it's lunch. the sandwich.
Mm-hmm. This is good. Okay, one more little bite. Oh no, we'll be done. I like this because I can use this in some, when I cook, I can add this into whatever I'm gonna make, and I'm sure it's gonna give you like a lot of flavor.
I think if you just got those, like, I forget what they're called, like, I don't know, those dark chilies that you find in a bag.
Mm-hmm. Oh, I see.
Dried chilies, those dark black ones that look like
Into the
that.
oil.
And then add the oil, mix, and you're...
That's a great idea. Because I have a bottle.
That's what it tastes like.
I have something that looks like that, but it doesn't taste like that. I think it doesn't have the spices. I'll show you.
Bye. Glad you enjoyed us watching us eat some
Bye.
pho.
This is my first time.
Me too. As far as eating food goes, yes.
Yes. Well, this is my first time ever. You know.
We want to
Okay,
do
okay.
this more.
Oh my God! Don't. Okay.
I'm in a food coma.
Yes. No. And me? Oh, I don't know. I am in a what? I don't know what food. Whatever. Bye.
Bye.